शेर की जुबानी सुनिए शहर की कहानियां, रैप नहीं होता तेरे वहम को भगा दे। लड़कियां ना गाड़ी अपनी अलग ही आवादी, असल रैप का ये ज्वाला तेरे आत्मा में जगा दे। क्योंकि भाग 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 आया शेर, भाग 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 आया शेर, Hey guys, I'll be speaking about my scene in Gully Boy and the song Sher Aaya Sher that follows after. This is the first time you see MC Sher on the silver screen, and coincidentally, this was my audition scene as well. For those of you who don't know, I came in very late on this project, and in fact, being the last character to be locked on this film, that is 25 days before the shoot. Well, I was familiar with the lingo a little, but I also did my own research and homework for those 2 weeks before the shoot began. I remember we had this one workshop with Zoya and Atul Mongia, and the only one, as we didn't have much time in our hand. Zoya asked me to act this scene out, and I remember doing it so loud and aggressively. Also, this being the second time I was meeting Zoya Akhtar, I was very nervous. Honestly, before I got to know her personally, I used to be a bit scared of her. But then she's the coolest and undoubtedly the smartest and the most loving person I've come across, and she's chill AF. Now, going back to the scene, this is an important scene as this is the first time Murad, a protagonist, sees how one can voice his opinion, expressed through art, in this rap being the conduit. He immediately connects to my character, and you see him being awestruck by Sher's, stage presence. He finds a hero in him. In this scene, you see that a college fest is on and Justine is performing on stage, and she is being interrupted by, booed by these bunch of guys in the front row. Basically, they are being jerks and showing no respect, possibly because she's a girl. Sher, who was prepping backstage as his set was lined up next, notices this and walks up on stage. In my head, I'd always imagined Sher's demeanor to be powerful and strong, almost lion-like, and Zoya added so much to my imagination. She wanted me to approach this character in a way that's not stereotypical. She wanted all that aggression to come out in the rap that follows, because that's what Sher was, channelizing everything into rap. He was very well defined with his values, the most important trait being feminism. He's cool, he's composed, king of the stage. He's a guy who's clear with his ideologies and would stand up for things he believed in, Coming back to the scene, so when Sher talks to the crowd, he's not directly pointing towards these boys at first, but soon it's clear that they won't budge, so he gives it off in his own cool way. We did that scene a bunch of times as there was something specific that Zoya was looking for, like an equilibrium between sarcasm and a warning, kataksh, as we say in Hindi. So I kept improvising, and every take she would add a line or two. In fact, as far as I remember, अब ये लोग शेर के साथ नाचेंगे and बजाते हैं कुछ old school hip hop banger was added last. The scene is quite heroic, yet Zoya's take is very new and feels fresh. Because usually you've seen a guy fighting off the goons and saving the day, and I exactly was carrying that same emotion in my head all along as I performed. It's just different in a way that I use words to diss them and embarrass them instead of dishum like in the films I've grown up watching. Zoya called it being a meaty churi and slash shoo them away, and that's what you see in the scene. I'm very embarrassed to admit not liking the song Sher Aaya Sher the first time I heard it, and I panicked. Zoya calmed me down, and she told me this song is going to blow out, so put your ganji and sneakers on, go out on the stage and roar. So yeah, that's what I did. I performed all day for like 2 days, and on the second day we had Ranveer and Alia on set for their reaction scenes. By afternoon I was drained, I was out of energy, but then Ranveer used to cheer me up after every take. Alia, I still remember, sent flying kisses, and I kept going till we got it. The energy on this film was great, and that did transcend on the screen. It's the genius of Zoya and Rima, and the far-sightedness of our producers Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar, that we have a film like Gully Boy. I still remember the first time Zoya called me to say I'm on the film. I froze, and she was like, you and Ranveer have a lot of energy and I need to tame it down, and that's what she did. She sculpted MC Sher out of this new lanky lad who popped out of nowhere, and Sher Aaya Sher indeed. I think I can proudly say that Sher is and will always be the firstborn tiger baby.